Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. I am here in Cherry Grove at Ocean Edge Condominium Complex. This is just a block away from the beach, and it is at 212 29th Avenue North. So we are close to Sea Mountain Highway, where they have all the restaurants there, Bull&O's, and everything that you need for your vacation stay. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Short-term rentals are allowed. The square footage on this is 900 square feet. The asking price is $305,000. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. It does come fully furnished. Alrighty. All right, everybody. So this is unit 107. Parking is right below. So as you walk in to the left, you have your washer and dryer, full-size washer and dryer, and some cabinets above. Those are actually the pillows for the balcony furniture, the patio furniture, I should say. And it's a windy day, so that's been brought in. So you walk into an open floor plan. You have your living area, your dining area, and then your kitchen. So it's granite countertop here. It's updated cabinets going all the way up with crown molding. Plenty of cabinet space here. You have a very large TV right here. And then out there is your balcony. We'll take a look at that after we tour the whole condominium. All right. So coming down the hallway here, to the left, you're going to have your first full bath. So the same cabinets and granite countertop is in here. And this is a shower tub combo, and the tub has jets. So that's nice. Recently painted. All right, and to the right is, actually we'll come all the way down here to this bedroom here. So this is an end unit. So you may have noticed in the living area that there is extra windows, and units are always wonderful, letting extra light. The bifold here with a room in the closet. This complex does come with a pool. So here is the other bedroom. Luxury vinyl plank throughout. And a large closet here. And then the second bathroom. So this is a shower with glass doors. Again, you have that continuity with the vanities here, which is always nice. Really soothing blue on the walls too. Alrighty, let's go ahead and we'll head out on the balcony and take a look at the views there. So newer light fixtures, as well as the ceiling fans. Plenty of light in here. Again, that end unit, we're having the extra windows on the side. All right, it's a windy day here. You're gonna hear it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, here it is. So you can see the ocean. I see the sand here, palmetto trees. We have the pool right there, the fenced-in pool. The parking is right below here. There are elevators here. There's an elevator and obviously stairways to bring you up to this unit. This balcony is all set up to be screened, but it's not screened in. This is 29th Avenue, right here in Cherry Grove. Alrighty. See, I told you it was windy. I'll come in so my hair's not all over the place. All right, everybody. So the HOA is $743. This includes quite a bit. This includes insurance, the water, sewer, trash pickup, pest control, cable, pool, and of course all the exterior maintenance and landscape. And that is Ocean Edge Condo Complex, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, going for $305,000. If you're interested in this property or any other properties, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is below, or feel free to give me a call, 843-877-5839. Y'all take care. Until next time.